Hello folks, with the Android 13 ball finally rolling to Samsung's latest flagships as we speak, it's clearly only a matter of time until the heavyweight champion of both smartphone shipments and software updates will spread the One UI 5 love across the world to both new and old devices with high-end and mid-range specifications. The company has officially revealed its One UI 5.0 release update schedule for other Galaxy phones and tablets. Of course, many hardcore Samsung fans might want to know exactly when to expect their specific Galaxy phone or tablet to join this stable Android 13 based One UI 5 party. And while it's obviously far too early to please everyone on that front, this new general timeline made public in South Korea is likely to put a big smile on plenty of faces out there. According to Samsung, most of its high-end phones and tablets will get the stable Android 13 based One UI 5.0 update in November. Some older flagships and mid-range Galaxy devices will get the update in December 2022. In January 2023, more mid-range smartphones and tablets will get the One UI 5.0 update. Here are all of the Galaxy devices set to receive One UI 5.0 update soon. While it's certainly no surprise that the likes of this year's state-of-the-art Fold 4 and Flip 4 and last year's S21 family will follow the footsteps of the S22 series as early as next month, we have to admit we never expected the same to be true for the mid-range Galaxy A53 and A33 5G or the ancient Galaxy S20. Given the incredible length of that November section, it seems very likely that Samsung's stable Android 13 deployment for the Galaxy Fold 4 and Flip 4 will begin as soon as next week, at least in South Korea. And if recent history is any indication, this schedule shouldn't be substantially different from region to region, which means Galaxy Flip, S20 FE and Tab S6 Lite owners around the world may well be able to get a taste of the latest Android build in a known beta flavor by the end of the year. No smartphone manufacturer will be able to keep up with this absolutely brutal pace. That's a certainty. Now, Samsung will obviously not stop updating its Android devices to the newest OS version all of a sudden in February 2023. It also seems highly unlikely that just one tablet and no smartphone will make the jump that month. Instead, that's simply how a preliminary release schedule often looks, missing important parts of the company's hugely popular mobile device portfolio, as these 49 updates are stabilized, optimized and gradually delivered to millions and millions of eager users worldwide. While the early 2019 released Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, S10e and S10 5G are unlikely to ever get official Android 13 goodies, the younger S10 Lite, for instance, may well be added to the massive list above at some point in the near future. The same goes for the Note 10 Lite, which also saw daylight in January 2020, as well as the much newer and humbler Galaxy A03, A03s, A22, A22 5G, A32, A52 and A52 5G. Despite their advanced age, the Galaxy A71 and A71 5G are all but guaranteed to join the A51 and A51 5G on the Android 13 bandwagon eventually. And if the Tab S6 Lite can score Google's latest software trees with fresh One UI tweaks on top, there's clearly no reason the regular Galaxy Tab S6 might be left behind. In short, Samsung has a lot of work to do in the space of just a few months, and the success of this work could help consolidate the company's lead over Apple in global smartphone sales. In any case, good luck to Samsung. Guys, thanks for watching this video, please share it with your friends. See you in the next one.